Peace, what up, family? Hope everybody's doing their best despite this lockdown and the coronavirus pandemic, you know. But today I just thought I'd do another little quick video about what is in the kitchen. And so today I'm going to cook burdock root. If you're not familiar with burdock root, definitely Google it, check it out. Matter of fact, Dr. Sebi talked a lot about burdock root. So what I want to show you today is exactly what I'm cooking. I'm gonna have to break the video up into parts, but here's what's in the dish. So to start off with, I do have, this is burdock root, if you've never seen it before. And yes, it is a root from the ground that we are getting ready to eat. And one of the great things about burdock root is the fact that it was used in ancient times and still today. And this is what Dr. Sebi used to purify the blood, because it has a very high iron content. And a lot of studies have been, been conducted, especially back in 2011, that also found that, burdock seeds could prohibit the growth of tumors like pancreatic carcinoma, right? And why do I keep saying right? But anyway, my dog is going crazy in here again. But anyway, again, I have burdock root, and this is what we're gonna cook today. And it's a very unique dish, very unique. I tasted a few samples of it, a couple weeks back, and I was like, man, I liked it. And so I went back to the health store and found a couple of pieces. And so today I'm just gonna cook a little small dish, because I'm beginning to get more into eating things naturally from the ground, people, right? Okay. And of course, we have the famous piece of ginger. I'm just gonna kind of cut off a few pieces of that. I don't have a grater, but if you got a grater, it'll be great, because all you want you to do is just put a little zing, a little zest into it using the ginger. And again, for myself, in past videos you have seen, if you ain't seen them, I like cayenne pepper. And as you can see here, Num Day Mun Farmers Market. If you're ever in the A-Town, I suggest checking it out. The one on in Morrow off Mount Zion is the bomb. All right, no disrespect to the cab, but I don't know, man. Y'all got a fight on your hands. And then we got little garlic. Now I only use a few pieces of garlic in my food because I try to keep it down, because garlic does toxify, and it interrupts the I can't even get the word out of my mouth right now, but anyway, it bothers your mucous membranes. It causes mucus, and there's a certain level of acidity. So you want to not eat this a lot, but you do want to eat it, if that makes sense. And garlic also lowers the blood pressure and is great for detoxifying the blood. Himalayan salt, again, 1,000,001 minerals in it. Of course, there's only 102, but times 10, times 1,000, times 100,000. We have some mineral Himalayan salt. Sesame oil is what I'm going to use to cook with. Flax seed oil. Come on, people. If you're not into the flax seed oil, get into it. And this is very, very good. I got this from Whole Foods, as you can tell, the 365 organic. But again, look. It has what? All your omega-3 essential fatty acids, people. Supports a healthy heart. Promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Flaxseed oil. If you're not familiar with it, get into it. Also, here is some turmeric. I bet y'all thought it was carrot juice, didn't you? Nah, turmeric. Inflammation. You want the inflammation from out of your body? People who got arthritis, you need to drink this every single day. You need to cook with it. You need to live with it. All right, and then of course, I'm using the infamous Bio Mineral Plus alkaline water that comes straight from out of the springs of North Georgia, from out of the burial grounds of the Native Americans up there in Coosa land. And if you're not familiar with Coosa, K-U-S-A, check it out. I soak it in water and I clean it with the Veggie Wash Organic. And Veggie Wash Organic has like all different types of citrus fruits and extracts and things like that that they use in order to get the oils and pesticides off of the foods, all right? And some of the dirt and any type of bacteria. So this is really great. I wash it, soak it in this for at least about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I rinse it off into the water, and then I, wash it like I'm washing my hands, right? So that I can get everything off of it. But after you do that, you want to get you a scraper. If you don't have a scraper, they make them in different types of colors, shapes, sizes, or whatnot. This one I got from, again, None Day Mun, and it cost me about $1.50. And so I got a couple of these. It's probably some type technical name for it, but I don't know. I ain't really a chef, but I do know the tools that I need, right? And so what you want to do is, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the ginger, but you just want to scrape the top off, all right? Because this is your meat, and this is how we're gonna cook it and prepare it. It's real nice food here, okay? And you just want to take the top off, and that's it. Put a little olive oil on that. Cheese it up a little bit. Okay. We're gonna tease that real quick. With a little cayenne. Okay. So I want to make sure that my seasoning is piping, baby. All right, cool. So now let me go ahead and chop this up. So how you do this is you want to cut it in diagonal pieces, okay? Kind of like chips, like, like potato chips in a sense. Nice thin slices. Man, it smells so good. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of this here. Uh-oh. Woo, make it hot, make it hot. Make it hot. And there it is. Our burdock root dish is complete. There it is. Oh, and one last thing. The Bio Mineral Plus water. Straight from the spring. How beautiful is that?